Just standing, we have worked very hardly
Very
for our
That's
team.
the place where we made the gate.
Last for 2 months.
In that our school not only taught us about the studies but also the culture of our country. And we were the only students that made the working model when we made the waterfall, Dudhsagar waterfall.
Dudhsagar, it was a working model, but still we got third prize.
It's okay, waterfall.
We got third prize. At least something is better than nothing. So we are happy that we got third prize, and we have learned apart much than third prize. We have learned a lot about that state. That knowledge is added to our mind, and it will be for us from a lifetime. So it is.
Whatever we got at the end was knowledge and nothing. Diya was kept in the center of a group, and we were told to concentrate. While during that time, we also were saying the mantras and the chants.
And it was the first time that we all kept quiet for 20 minutes in our lifetime. So it was a great experience. And at the hall, it was a moment that we all were quiet and nobody was just whispering here and there, but all were concentrating on the single lamp.
That was exactly pin drop silence that our teacher told us to keep in the class. And at the end, when the HM sir came and tells us about the importance of Deep Puja and how it helped to increase our concentration power.
But friends, there is a bad news that we won't get this time back again. So we are a little sad about that. We can't again sit in the same hall or enjoy that same moment. And friends, do not forget about the chants of Sanskrit chants that we learned and we used to say
before.
Dailies
Dailies in
after the prayer. After the prayer.
It was a great pleasure for us to secure first prize at an IT company, Cognizant, at Powai. And for securing that first prize, we have practiced n number of hours, and apart from that, we have a proper guidance from our teachers. So, and our HM sir also supported us very much in that. And finally, the result was in front of you. We all practiced a lot, and then it comes as the first prize. The feeling is great, and we feel that all we have done is that we feel grateful to our teachers that have helped us to reach at that moment, supported us. Our HM sir that gave us we have given about 2 classes free just for us for practicing Cognizant students. So we are very thankful for our HM sir also that supported us and if he was not there, we might have lost our second or third. But because of him, we got first prize, and we are very happy about it.
Here we won all the prizes in Kho-Kho, volleyball,
Except
Kabaddi,
Including girls and boys.
including girls and boys.
Kho-Kho,
Shot put,
sack race,
Kabaddi,
Running.
volleyball, then
Book
tea and
balance.
table spoon, book balance,
balance,
frog race,
Yes.
sack
sack
race,
Collecting the
frog race,
potatoes.
running race,
long
Long
jump,
jump.
long jump.
shot put.
Except of this, our
And also the
also like to play basketball.
our
Yes.
one of the favorite sport, basketball.
Our band sir have appreciated me for this, and he have said me that you have the ability of becoming a major, and I think that I don't have, but he is telling that I can become. So it's not any work hard. I do very work hard for that, and I think that I make our band good.
And what is our future? Would you like to be in that same field of becoming a great major?
So I want to become a playback singer.
To become a chef, and I want that every teachers and my dear friend want to come in my hotel. सर मैंने सोचा
नहीं एक्ट्रेस बनेगी बनी चाहिए.
Ayo, Bhavani and IITian, mechanical engineer.
I want to fly in the sky, and for this, my major role model was APJ Abdul Kalam, and I am quite inspired by him. And as a result, I want to become a pilot and just fly to the sky because
I want to become a civil engineer, making building, bridges, which I like the most. I want to make a tower which should touch the sky and look it's so beautiful that everyone must like it.
We'll miss our teachers.
our school,
our classmates,
our friends,
classes, playground.
Class board teachers.
Teachers, friends, all
canteen,
the
canteen.
The most importantly, our HM
HM
sir.
sir. We will never forget.
Forget him. Imbibe such great values, qualities in us.
We will make sure that we will be a successful person in our life.
Yes.
Yes.
we will work hard for it, won't we?
Yes.
And we will make our teacher feel proud.
Yes.
We are thankful to our school, teachers, and all those who have contributed in our life.
मुझको तेरी बीमारी यारी तेरी यारी
all-time favorite teacher, Varsha teacher. We can't forget was for 2 years. For 2 or 3 years. 2 years. 2 years. Second and third standard. First not, second and third. Oh, second and third. Yeah, we are. And her story was quite inspiring and humble. And even more, my mother has given me the painting. Painting box. Box नहीं वो देख painting charts. वो बड़ा frame. I have given that frame to Varsha teacher, and she has kept now also. She said that day, I am also having that painting frame now also. Let's talk about Vijay teacher also. Yeah, she was like unforgettable moment of her life. You know that day that we cried. For the first time we cried for a teacher. You cried for the teacher because you don't have emotions. We all cried. Yeah, no, we have taken it. We all cried at that time. She was hanging on. Yeah. Then she met her. We all cried. That is called emotions, you know. That was out. We had no emotions. When our last day was there in our school, we have given some exams. Dual exam during that. She came and she gave us chocolates and said, now I'm gave the bad news. Bad news. We always started to cry also. Everyone said it. Three of us also.
मुझे जीना आया रे वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा ए दीवानी नजर दसता वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा एक अधूरी कहानी हमारी कहानी रही आसमां को ज़मीन ये ज़रूरी गई शामिले मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया और फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया और फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा जिंदगी जिंदगी हाँ जिंदगी जिंदगी
मैं कर रही थी किसी का इंतजार वो जिससे मैं करती हूँ प्यार और जिससे करती हूँ मिन्नतें बार बार